Universal Studios Singapore! Woo! Let's go! Alright, let's get right to the ticketing room right now. So we're inside USS finally. What do you usually like first?
I think definitely not the scary ones first because the best you should save it for last.
Probably. And the waiting time might be quite long this time. So let's check out the map using our QR code that will show you in a bit. So as you can see, you'll see a lot of posters like these everywhere where you can scan the QR code and download the app to access the map and check ride waiting times. So make sure to use that.
In the app, you'll be able to see the attractions available in Universal Studios. You just want to click on the icons to check the waiting time for each of the rides. Alright then, shall we take a peek on our current location?
So this is the first ride we're going to. This is called the Spaghetti Space Chase. Let's go! Woo! Are you excited? Oh, cut off. No. Oh, okay.
I love Elmo. I love watching Elmo as a kid.
I love Elmo too. That's my favorite.
Really cute.
It is quite cute.
To fit my outfit, it's Cookie Monster.
Where should we go next?
I'm ready for the big rides now.
Alright, let's go ahead to the Flex. Well, Joe, are you ready to ride Cylon?
I'm a bit scared, but I'm ready. I'm ready.
Let's go! So we just got off the Galactica what's that? Cylon, right? How are you doing, Joe?
My head is spinning.
I feel great. Alright, let's go.
Let's go.
I think I found our next spot. Let's go! So right now we are at ancient Egypt. Look how scary and tall those pharaohs look. Oh my god. I think they're called Anubis.
I think so, yeah.
Right,
but
yeah.
the good thing is, the waiting time right now for their mummy ride is only 10 minutes.
minutes, we can get there pretty quickly. Galactica took us around 40-50 minutes-ish, but let's see how fast this one goes. Let's go! So right now we are inside the temple, the pyramid, the house of Anubis, where we will be witnessing the revenge of the mummy! Let's hope it's not too scary of a ride, but we'll see how it goes.
Yeah, I know this ride's gonna be like pitch.
It's gonna be quite dark.
Yeah.
Let's see what we can film as well. It's kind of scary. Holy crap.
We just came out.
We just came out. That was actually quite refreshing.
It's refreshing.
It's very...
But because it's pitch black, I think for people who are actually afraid of riding roller coasters, it's gonna be scary for them.
It might be scary,
Yeah, but it's not for us. It's very woo,
It's
AC,
very
you know,
refreshing.
AC.
Yeah, it's pretty AC. But also, it's unfortunate we couldn't film anything as well.
No phones are allowed in most of the rides in USS.
Yeah. Alright, Joe, you know what time it is?
I am so thirsty.
It's time for snacks. Let's go!
Not sponsored.
Not sponsored. Where are we headed to now?
I think we're going.
We're going to Jurassic.
Huh? Jurassic.
Rawr!
We are finally in Jurassic World. To be honest, I am kind of like drained, kind of tired from the mummy ride earlier. So we are queuing up right now for the canopy flyer. This way, we're gonna be flying on top. We can catch the wind. We can rest.
Relax a bit, you know?
That's
very
right.
important when coming to amusement
Yep.
parks. See you guys up there. Bye!
So, we just came out from the, where is it? Yeah, the Jurassic ride. What is it called again? Yeah, we just came out of the canopy flyer, and it's a 4-seat like ride. So we ride on the back. So we went backwards, and I'm sick, and I think Sean is sick too.
I got scared because I was filming. I thought I was gonna drop my phone.
Yeah, we thought it was a slow ride, but apparently it was pretty fast, and we were going backwards.
So much for relaxing.
Not relaxing. It's like, ugh, I got a heart attack.
Oh, what time is it?
It is 5:15, like 16, 1 minute after 15, which means it's...
Be around the corner. Let's go find Shrek and his wife, Fiona. Hi. Hello. She waved at me. right now we're heading back to where we started from.
Hollywood.
Hollywood. Who doesn't love Hollywood? How do you feel?
I was super happy that I got to visit USS, but right now I just want to sit.
I feel the same too. Very fun time here. I would recommend everyone to try at least coming here once. It's definitely an experience you should try.
Yep.
And we're gonna go look for a place to sit and maybe eat or drink. We'll see. See you guys there. Alright, so Joe and I are about to leave, but before we leave, we found this retro style diner. We got a nice AC and
Rest. Hey guys, it's like 6:20 right now and Mel's diner is closed. Sean said they're not taking orders anymore, so if you want to try out the diner, make sure you come here earlier. Even though USS closes at 7, the diner closes at 6.
Alright, thank you so much for joining us on our trip to USS. We had so much fun. How do you feel?
I am happy. I'm content, but I want to rest.
For sure.
For
I
sure.
definitely want to rest too.
But I will definitely come back to USS next time. But I know now how to plan better.
I know now how to plan better too. Alright, I hope you guys have such a lovely time in USS too as well. See you guys there maybe. Bye! Hey.
Fit check. Hello!
Hi!
We are finally in Jurassic World. The Lost World. The Lost World. The Lost World?
I don't know.
Jurassic World, yeah.